Hey socialites, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Ariell. I do mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle. So if those are the type of videos you enjoy, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe button and come join the family. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this very simple, wearable, everyday makeup look. But before we jump into the tutorial, I do want to thank HSN for sponsoring today's video. If you guys haven't heard of HSN, it's an online retailer that sells beauty items. They have fragrance, household items, and a lot more. So be sure to check them out. This video is going to be dedicated more towards obviously the beauty products, and I was excited to see some of the brands they had on the site. They had Lancome, Clinique, Too Faced, Smashbox, Benefit, a lot of brands that we all know and love. Everything I mentioned today I'll have linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. So if you want to see how I got this simple makeup look using quite a few products that you can find on HSN, then keep watching. Okay, socialites, so we're gonna start off by moisturizing. You guys already know, if you're not new here, the Clinique Moisture Surge 100 Hour. And definitely a product you can pick up on HSN. This is a really great base for makeup, by the way, even if you wear a primer or not. The Professional Pore Primer from Benefit. Now, HSN does have this in a 2-pack. I think you can get it by itself or you can get it in a 2-pack, but this is a product that I typically use on my clients, but it's just really good for smoothing over those pores. So I'm only going to use it like right in my cheek area. I like to let the primer sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, 5 if I can afford the time, before I go in with my foundation product or skin tint. And for foundation today, I'm going to use the Smashbox Halo Healthy Glow All-in-One Tinted Moisturizer. This one's in the shade Dark Warm. It does have an SPF of 25, and it gives you sort of like that healthy skin look with a little bit of glow to it. Not too glowy, but it's long lasting as well, pretty long lasting, especially for a skin tint. So I remember when I first got this, it was about 2 to 3 shades that I could use. Since it's like the winter months, this is a little too deep for me, but I could still make it work. See see how that is? So I'm gonna pretty much go almost like the perimeter of my face. This is one of those skin tints that gives you the look of a foundation. For concealer, I'm going to use my Haus Labs concealers. One's in the shade 40, which is the darker one, and the other's in the shade 34. So 40 is going to go right almost like a transition, and then 34 is going to go in the inner corner to sort of brighten. And this to me gives about the same coverage as the skin tint, which is kind of like that medium buildable. The deeper color, I'm going to do a little bit of reverse contour here. BK Beauty 114 to blend. I'm going in with my About Face loose powder. This one's in the shade The Curtain Call. It's like the typical translucent shade, maybe a little deeper than translucent. The same 114 brush from BK Beauty. So I'm going to fill in my brows with the Benefit Mighty Fine Brow Pen. This was sent over from HSN. Do you guys remember last month when I tried this out? I tried it in the darkest color, which was 5. So this one's in the shade 3.5, which is a little lighter. So I liked the fact that it gives you these little small hair-like strokes and that it stayed put. So my issue was that that color was too dark. For my hair color, it just was really deep, made them look a little bit harsh. What do you guys think about the color of this one? I don't know if y'all remember what 5 looked like. And HSN also has this in a 2-piece set that comes with like the brow gel as well. I definitely like this shade better. Taking my Benefit Treasure Island bronzer duo, I'm going to use the bronzer side to contour the eyes. This is such a quick way to do an eye look, by the way, is just to use your bronzer. I'm just going to go right in the crease with this one. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury palette and use a combination of probably these 2 pinks on the lid. I'm going to take these 2 here and use this almost like a wing liner situation, like right here, and flick it up slightly. And I'm just blending out the edges. I'm going to take another About Face powder. It's the same loose powder, but in a different shade. This one's in the shade Partition. And I'm going to use this to basically set all over. My Lancome Hypnose Mascara. Going back in with the Hoola bronzer to give me a little bit more definition on the contour. A little bit more snatched. My Charlotte Tilbury blush. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. So HSN also sent over this 2-pack. It's the Lip Injection Extreme Plumping Clicks from Too Faced. Now I've tried the Too Faced lip injections, which I really like. It's in the shade Chocolate, and it just gives a beautiful sort of soft brown high shine to the lips. I really like it. So I did see that they came out with these, and I was interested in testing them out. So it's pretty cool that they sent these over. So it's one of those balmy type situations that you click for the product to come up. Usually these type of products are really soft, so you don't want to click too much. It's in the shade Don't Be Shy. And so the same color, you get 2 of the same color in the pack, and that's what it looks like. So it's a nice nude shade. So I'm gonna line my lips with a soft brown liner. So it feels like an actual lip balm, but it has that little tingling in there, like the plumping sensation. Very sheer. So this is the final look. Everything I used today, I'll have linked down below in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Thank you HSN for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love, 'cause too fresh with the scars.